Guys, Laluigi here, and today I'm going to be showing you the LaFerrari shift pattern. So let's get my LaFerrari out. It has to be fully upgraded for this. I'm just going to go in Italy. No! I accidentally pressed Match Race Rookie, but I can still show you the shift pattern. Really? Oh yeah, it was because he was still going. So, bye. Try it with your own fully upgraded LaFerrari if you haven't. Bye.